We start from ground zero in our program. So we assume the student is new, even if they've been practicing photography for a couple of years. We'll start with aperture and shutter speed and ISO and just understanding how your camera works and how to use it properly. We'll get them in the studio right away so that they can start learning how the lights work, how the power packs work. By the time you've finished first year, you're pretty competent with the camera, with lights, flashes, software as far as editing your photos, shooting tethered. They will photograph right from the very beginning. They'll start photographing people, and they'll start in the studio, but they'll also be photographing people on location. And in some cases, that's an on-location portrait. Sometimes it's a fashion type of shoot. Sometimes it's an industrial type of portrait or a business portrait. There are students who come in here having done photography for 2 years, and those students still learn a lot about photography. They learn a lot about their equipment. They learn a lot about software, and their photography gets better by being here. Their workflow gets more efficient. Their understanding of how things work and their ability to troubleshoot later on is greatly improved. It's really cool to see our students sort of take what they've learned here and be able to apply it someplace outside of the studio and in an environment where they have to deal with strangers, they're in a strange location, and yet they're able to take everything that we've taught them, set up lights, set up their computers, set up a workflow that is going to work that day so that we can efficiently get through all these different portraits. As long as you've got the ambition and the creativity and you're willing to learn something new, yeah, I think you have a pretty good chance of being successful in our program, even if you're brand new to photography.